Isn't that amazing?
AI won't take your job, someone using AI will. Think about it, two graphic designers. One ignores AI, the other masters MidJourney. Who do you think gets the promotion? Or worse, who gets fired? The truth is, AI is here, and it's changing the game. But here's the good news. You can use it to boost your career, enhance your creativity, and future-proof your skills. It's like upgrading from an old, slow laptop to a top-of-the-line workstation. You're still the one calling the shots, but now you've got the power to do more, faster, and better. Stick around because today, I'm showing you how to make AI work for you, not against you. We're diving into the best AI tools, the dangers of over-reliance, and the key to staying irreplaceable in the age of AI. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to be your sidekick. Imagine having a personal assistant who can handle the boring, repetitive tasks, the ones that make you want to hit snooze on Monday morning. With AI, you can finally ditch those tasks and focus on what really matters, the creative, strategic, and human elements of your work. Think about it. How much time do you spend each week on things like scheduling meetings, organizing data, or answering emails? Now imagine if you could reclaim those hours and dedicate them to brainstorming new ideas, connecting with clients, or learning new skills. That's the power of AI as your sidekick. Here are 3 ways AI can level up your workflow. First up, automate those boring tasks. I'm talking about scheduling emails, organizing data, transcribing meetings, all that tedious stuff that eats up your day. AI can handle it all, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. Second, enhance your creativity. Tools like MidJourney and Chat GPT can help you break through creative blocks, generate fresh ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, ready to spark your imagination. And third, speed up your workflows. Need to edit a video, write a report, or design a logo? AI can help you do it faster and more efficiently. Think about it. AI can analyze hours of video footage in minutes, generate multiple design variations in seconds, and write compelling copy with just a few keywords. The key is to leverage AI to amplify your skills, not replace them. Think of it like this. AI is the tool. You're the artist. It's like having a high-tech paintbrush or a super-powered camera. It doesn't replace your talent, it enhances it. Now let's talk about the best AI tools for your industry. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, entrepreneur, or anything in between, there's an AI tool out there that can make your life easier and your work even more awesome. First up, writers, Chat GPT is a game changer for anyone who works with words. It can help you brainstorm blog post ideas, draft articles and website copy, create engaging social media posts, and even write scripts for videos, like this one. For the designers out there, MidJourney and Canvas AI tools are absolute must-haves. MidJourney can turn your text prompts into stunning, high-quality images in seconds, while Canvas AI tools can help you create professional-looking graphics, presentations, and social media content, even if you have zero design skills. Video editors, I got you covered too. Runway and Pictory are about to become your new best friends. Runway uses AI to automate tedious editing tasks, add mind-blowing effects, and even generate realistic footage from scratch. Pictory, on the other hand, is perfect for creating short, shareable videos from long-form content like webinars or podcasts. And for all the marketers out there, Jasper and Copy.ai are here to supercharge your campaigns. These AI-powered copywriting assistants can generate high-converting ad copy, write compelling email campaigns, and craft engaging social media posts that get results. But here's the thing, these tools aren't just for tech experts, they're for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. The best part is that most of these tools offer free trials or free versions so you can try them out and see how they fit into your workflow without spending a dime. But here's the catch. You need to stay in control. While AI tools are incredibly powerful, it's important to remember that they're just tools. You're still the one calling the shots, making the decisions, and bringing your unique perspective and creativity to the table. Now, before you go full AI everything, let's talk about the potential downsides. Because as amazing as AI is, there's a danger in becoming too dependent on it. It's like relying on GPS for every single trip. Eventually, you'll lose your sense of direction. The same goes for AI. If you rely on it to do all the thinking, all the creating, all the problem solving, you risk losing your uniquely human skills, the ones that truly set you apart in the workplace and in life. Things like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. These are the skills that AI can't replicate, at least not yet. Think about it. AI can write a decent email, but it can't build a genuine relationship with a client. It can generate a beautiful design, but it can't understand the emotions behind a brand's message. It can analyze data and generate reports, but it can't make strategic decisions based on intuition and experience. The goal is to use AI to enhance your work, not replace your brain. Remember, AI is a tool, not a crutch. It's like having a calculator. It can help you with the math, but you still need to understand the concepts behind the numbers. So, how do you avoid falling into the trap of over-reliance? It's all about finding the right balance. Use AI to automate the tedious tasks, to spark new ideas, to speed up your workflow. But don't let it take over. Stay engaged, stay curious, and never stop learning and growing. So, how do you stay irreplaceable in the age of AI? How do you make sure that you're always ahead of the curve, always in demand, always the one calling the shots? The answer is surprisingly simple. Combine AI with your human skills. It's the best of both worlds. The efficiency and power of AI combined with the creativity, empathy, and ingenuity that only humans possess. First and foremost, be the visionary. Use AI to execute your ideas, but let your creativity lead the way. Don't let AI dictate your creative choices. Use it as a tool to bring your unique vision to life. Think of AI as a high-tech paintbrush or a state-of-the-art musical instrument. It's up to you to create the masterpiece. Next, stay curious. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging all the time. Make it a habit to stay up to date on the latest advancements, experiment with new tools, and never stop learning. The more you know about AI, the better you'll be able to leverage it to your advantage. But most importantly, focus on connection. Use AI to handle the tasks that machines are good at, but focus your energy on building relationships and solving real human problems. Remember, AI can't replace your ability to connect with people on an emotional level, to understand their needs, and to create experiences that resonate with them on a deeper level. The future belongs to those who can blend technology with humanity, so start blending today. Embrace AI as a powerful tool, but never forget the value of your uniquely human skills. By combining the best of both worlds, you'll ensure that you're always one step ahead, always in demand, and always irreplaceable. Alright guys, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've talked about the power of AI, the importance of staying in control, and the key to staying irreplaceable in this rapidly changing world. But now it's your turn to take action. What AI tool are you most excited to try out? Have you already incorporated AI into your workflow? I want to hear all about it in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going and learn from each other. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of AI, hit that subscribe button and join the AI-proof human community. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and insights on how to make AI work for you, so you can stay ahead of the curve, boost your career, and unlock your full potential in the age of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So, we've talked about the power of AI, but the most important takeaway is this. AI is a tool. It's like having a super-powered smartphone. It's capable of amazing things, but it's only as good as the person using it. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of AI while still retaining their uniquely human skills, creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. So embrace the future, stay curious, and never stop learning. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Isn't that amazing?